Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this multichrome gradient stamping. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color, I'm going to be using Finger Paint's Black Expressionism. While my base color was drying, I finished my testing and I decided to go with 4 colors from the Color Club Oil Slick collection. I've really been loving it. It's very versatile and the colors are gorgeous. The first one I'm going to be using is Purple Haze, which is a little bit more of a mauve leaning purple. Then we've got On the Vine, which is definitely grapier. Rhythm and Blues, which moves into just kind of a indigo blue. And then Hooked, which is this beautiful turquoise. And I'm going to be applying those to create a gradient on the image plate by applying them just right next to each other. The image plate that I'm going to be using is from MoYou London. It is from the Pro XL collection and it's number 19. The design I'm going to be using is this kind of open circle design. And I'm going to start by applying the turquoise up at the top. I'm going to be overlapping the colors just slightly on the plate while also being careful not to contaminate the brushes. Add in the purple and finally finishing off with the mauve. I've got my MoYou London Crystal Clear Stamper and Scraper, and you want to scrape across quickly just a couple times and then pick up the design. I'm going to go ahead and position it so that the smallest circles are pointing at the tip of my nail and arrange those pretty close to the tip and then go ahead and stamp. I didn't bother with any liquid latex since this is not like a super heavy duty stamp, and I'll go ahead and clean that up with a little bit of tape and a little bit of latex once I'm finished stamping all my nails. I've got a mini lint roller for cleaning my stamper, and in between each stamp I'm also going to be cleaning the plate off with acetone. Now that I'm done stamping, I'm going to go ahead and clean up around the edges. I'm going to start with a Q-tip dipped in acetone to get some of the farther away and larger bits, and then I'll go in closer with my normal small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, I'll be finishing with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished design, and I'm thrilled with how this turned out. It was my first time trying gradient stamping, and I think these multichromes blended together really well. I almost went with 3 colors instead of 4, but I think I have just enough of the mauve down near the cuticle to be happy that I left it in. I did have a few struggles, and if you'd like to see those, the extended tutorial will be up in a couple days. But I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a like. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.